Hey, hey, hey,
ACA.
ACA! On today's episode of ACA Answers, I'm going to introduce you guys to someone really special. Her name is Bianca King, and she is the Director of Client Services. Now, Bianca is really the one who gets to see the evolution from fear and anxiety to relief and finally peace of mind. Bianca is like the soothing voice, the one who holds the client's hands all the way through the process. So, Bianca, what I'd like to do is just, talk to you a little bit about your day to day and just ask you a few questions about your experiences that you have with the ACA clients, the ones that put their trust into us and now they get to speak with you.
Absolutely.
So, Bianca, the first question that I have for you is what is the most common concern or question new clients have starting their exit strategy with us?
I would say the most common questions that we receive is how are we going to get our clients out from underneath their timeshare contract and how long it's truly going to take, right? A lot of our clients, when they do sign up with ACA Group or inquire about canceling their timeshare contracts, they're in a position where their health is unfortunately declining. So time is of the essence, right? They don't want to pass on the financial burden that comes with those reoccurring maintenance fees onto their next of kin. And to take it a step even further, a lot of the times our clients are put into an upgrade situation where now they have another mortgage balance that they have to pay off as well.
Even more debt.
Exactly. So the biggest qualm or concern is time is of the essence, like I said, right? How long is it going to take for us to get them out and how do we do so? And to answer that, we utilize the best attorneys in the industry for timeshare cancellation to not only facilitate the cancellation for our clients, but also protect their rights as a consumer.
So I do want to touch a little bit more on that time frame, right? Because I know timeshare owners, they get promised all kinds of things, right? So before speaking with us, all of the promises that were made to them about owning the timeshare, and some of them have even hired companies in the past to help them cancel their timeshare,
Exactly.
and they were promised a pretty short time frame. Now on our end with ACA Group, we do have a guaranteed time frame, and it's probably longer than what most people say it is. Doesn't mean that it's going to take that long, but we want to set expectations accordingly. So you mentioned something really important there is what does somebody do that where their health is declining? And I know that we've actually experienced situations where we have unfortunately maybe lost a client, right, through this process. What does ACA keep? What do we do to make sure that their kids don't have to deal with this?
Well, everything that we promise our clients, right, in our service agreement, because we are their advocates. We're not the timeshare. And one thing that we do here is we ensure in client services that every single promise that is listed in our service agreement or every promise that is relayed to our clients during their qualification process that they have to undergo to even be approved for a group legal service plan, right? But we are all very interconnected across different departments. We communicate very proactively to ensure that any promise we give our clients is insured.
And so, let's just say, right, let's say one of our clients passes away. Are we still able to fulfill that process for them?
Absolutely, yes. So the
Okay.
great thing about a client retaining our services, even if their health is declining, right? Once they initiate the cancellation process with us, regardless of, God forbid something were to happen to our clients, we in the attorney's office representing our clients will see the process through. All that we would ask is that, of course, they would give us the proper contact information for the next of kin so we can keep them updated throughout the cancellation process.
Amazing. And I'm sure that will give a lot of people that peace of mind of knowing hey, if you're getting everything into a fair, right, all of you're preparing for that next stage of life that that you can still rely on ACA Group to fulfill the promises that were made to you,
Exactly.
which takes off a lot of burden from someone's, back for sure. The next question I have for you is what do clients tell you the most? What do you hear most often that was never explained to them when they originally bought their timeshare?
Oh, that's a good question. I'm glad you asked that. So a lot of the times our clients and it's unfortunate for them that they weren't provided this information at the presentation when they were purchasing the timeshare, because what I find a lot of the times with our clients is if they were provided the information up front, they probably wouldn't have signed on the dotted line to become a timeshare owner, right? So I say all of this to say that a lot of the times we have to explain the financial variables attached to our clients' timeshare ownerships because they truly believe, because they weren't informed, rightfully so, right? That's the reason for their confusion, that even after they satisfy their outstanding mortgage or loan balance that's associated with the timeshare contract,
Mhm.
they are still responsible and liable for the reoccurring maintenance fees that will continue to increase.
Right. So they think that, are led to believe that once they pay off this, $20,000 purchase price, that it's now something that they actually own. And that,
Exactly.
you pay off a car, what do? You pay registration, but like you're not paying maintenance fees on the car per se, right? You're not, you don't have the finance company contacting you and saying, "Okay, listen, you got to pay us another $1,000 this year."
Yeah.
Okay. Um and the next question I have for you is after everything you've seen, what would you say to someone who keeps paying and thinking that maybe one day they'll actually be able to use the timeshare?
I would say for those people that are on the fence that don't believe that there is a way to get out, that there is true timeshare freedom, right? And there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Don't wait, right? The longer you wait, the more expensive it's going to get. So again, time is of the essence.
Absolutely. Totally agree on that. And I think, like you said, like waiting is only costing more money, you know, pushing this off is only creating more heartache, right?
Mhm.
More financial stress. Um, and they always say like a tiger doesn't change its stripes.
I love
You
that.
know what I mean? So like if the timeshare when you first bought it has treated you this way or your experience has been this way with the developer, 20 years later, it's not gonna get any better. And in the industry, like in just travel and vacation and just in general, everything is evolving, right? So to be able to take a vacation now is a lot easier today than it was in like the 70s when timeshares were first created, you know?
It's
So
even more cost effective as well.
exactly. To be able to take a vacation now doesn't cost you as much as it did or as it does owning a timeshare.
Mhm. Exactly.
So I definitely agree with that. Don't wait. Do something now. Um, guys, those of you that are watching, if this episode felt personal, that's because it is, right? You're not alone. You're not the only one who felt overwhelmed by this, right? The first step is to contact and start a conversation, right? Speak with the with ACA group. Allow us to provide you with a free consultation. We'll evaluate your entire situation and we're going to make sure that we are a good fit for you, right? And if we're a good fit for you, we're going to give you all the information that you need to make an informed choice to go ahead and move on to that next process of freeing yourself from this burden. And Bianca, I know that you're busy making sure that our clients are always kept up to date, that they're never in the dark. They know exactly what's going on every single step of the way. So I just want to personally thank you for taking your time out of your day. And I want to thank the clients that are with us already for lending Bianca to us today. Thank you so much. Thank you for your insight. Thank you for your knowledge. And most importantly, thank you for your service.
Thank you. And thank you for allowing me to be here. Doing this
Absolutely.
with all
It's
of
a
you.
pleasure. Thank you.